Without objection.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today to call on our colleagues in the Senate to reject Donald Trump's nomination of RFK Jr. as Secretary of Health and Human Services. Now, RFK has proven himself for decades to be a conspiracy theorist, and we cannot allow the critical work by the HHS and the doctors, the medical professionals there, to be undermined by someone with his record. Now, for those not familiar, RFK Jr. first has no scientific or medical credentials. Instead, he spent his career fueling anti-vaccine movements around the world, including one in Samoa that contributed to a measles outbreak that killed dozens of people and made almost 6,000 sick, most of them children and infants. Now, RFK Jr. has falsely claimed that vaccines cause autism and suggested that COVID health measures were worse than the Holocaust. He's also peddled in conspiracy theories that chemicals in water are making children transgender and gay. Now, this is someone who has threatened to gut the National Institutes of Health, the federal agency responsible for medical and public health research. Now, they, along with the rest of HHS, do vital, nonpartisan work that impacts every American in every community, from pandemic preparedness to cancer research to resources for mental health and substance abuse. There are real lives at stake. We just went through a pandemic that cost the lives of 1.3 million Americans, the single largest loss of life event in the modern era in our country and around the world. And we cannot allow at this moment to hand over the keys of public health to an extreme and unqualified and dangerous nominee. The Senate must reject RFK Jr. for HHS. I yield back.
Gentleman yields.